see a windmill here in the Netherlands, but I don't think you can see that on camera. So, turning back to the right, we arrive on the highway. And the highway will cross the aeroplane in, I think it is a maximum of 50 meters between the highway and the airport. So watch closely. On the right side in front, there is the airport. There you can see the aeroplanes landing, takeoff, driving, waiting, loading for passengers. When we are lucky, then we even can see an airplane driving over a bridge that's built over the highway. It's very cool. So you see the white, green, red flag thing of an aeroplane over there. Yeah, right in front of us, aeroplanes. Well, the blue one from KLM is coming over the bridge. You have to look closely. But how many aeroplanes do you count? There are at least 20 visible in the last 10 seconds. And in front of us, so a little to the right, the little tower, that's where all the communication systems of the airport are held. The pilots are communicating for takeoff, for landing, and they ask permission to land or take off. The people over there in the tower. Now you can't see it then. If you thought we passed the airport, you are so wrong. Because here on the right side, out of reach of the camera, is a big parking space for cars, where cars can park if you travel. And we are approaching the second part of the airport, and this airport has, I think, 5, but if you know the big airport Schiphol in the Netherlands, if you know about it, am I right? Are there 5 like parts of the airport? Driving right now is directly underneath the takeoff part of the aeroplanes. They're coming from the right and flying to the left, and they take off a few hundred meters from here, so they're coming over very low, like less than 100 meters. It's very cool to see when you drive there with your bus and an aeroplane is flying nearly over you. It's a cool feeling. So, for everybody interesting, we're driving uphill, so like 5-6 meters up, and that brings us to the height of minus 3.8 meters. So that means 3.8, almost 4 meters below sea level, is when we are on top of that bridge. So lowest point here is like around 8-9 meters below sea level. That's where the airport is built.